In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify for beginners. Starting your online journey with Shopify is an exciting step towards building your e-commerce empire, or maybe just a quaint little online shop. Whatever your end goal, I'm here to guide you through the basics of getting started with Shopify. First things first, we'll need to navigate to Shopify's website, type in Shopify's URL into your browser, and you'll be greeted with the home page. This is where your adventure begins. The interface is designed to be inviting, so don't feel overwhelmed. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, your next action is to log in. Look for the login button. This should be pretty straightforward to locate. It's your gateway to accessing Shopify's backend, where all the magic happens. Now, you might be prompted to type in some information or highlight specific fields. This process is essential for security reasons and ensures that your experience on Shopify is as personal and tailored as possible. Go ahead and fill in or select the necessary details. After you've provided your details, you'll see an option to continue with your email. This is an important step because it solidifies your identity on the platform and ensures that all the information and progress you make is tied to you and you alone. Click on Continue with Email to proceed. Following that, Shopify might ask you to choose an account. Especially if you're using an email client with multiple accounts, make sure to select the account you wish to associate with your Shopify store. This could be your personal business or a brand new email you've set up specifically for this venture. Once you've selected your account, it's time to head over to your Shopify dashboard. The dashboard is the nerve center of your store. Think of it as mission control. Here you'll have access to everything from product listings to analytics. It's your starting line. In the dashboard, look for the online store option. This is where you begin the exciting journey of customizing your store's look and feel. The online store section is packed with themes, settings, and options to make your store uniquely yours. Your next step is to click on Import Theme. Shopify has a plethora of themes, both free and paid, designed to suit virtually any aesthetics or business model. Importing a theme is the first step towards visualizing how your store will look to customers. Furthermore, if you're curious about exploring more themes, click on Visit Theme Store. Shopify's theme store is like a candy shop for web design, full of beautiful, functional themes tailored for various industries and purposes. Have you found a theme that speaks to you? Great. Now click on Customize. This is where you can tinker with the theme's settings to match your brand's colors, fonts, and overall vibe. Shopify provides a user-friendly interface for customization, ensuring that you don't need to know a single line of code to make your store look professional. Next, let's personalize your store a bit more. Click on Theme Settings. Here you can adjust the global settings for your theme, which include typography, colors, and layout options. Speaking of personalization, clicking on the logo option allows you to upload your brand's logo. This is a crucial step in branding your store. Your logo is often the first thing customers will associate with your brand, so make sure it stands out. After setting up your logo, proceed to click on Colors. This section lets you set the color scheme of your store, ensuring that it aligns with your brand's visual identity. A consistent color scheme can significantly impact your store's aesthetic, appeal, and user experience. Next up, let's fine-tune the typography by clicking on Typography. Choosing the right fonts can elevate the look of your store and make it more readable and appealing to your visitors. Shopify allows you to customize header and body fonts, so take your time to find the perfect match for your brand's voice. Lastly, for a cohesive look and feel, click on Theme Style. This might seem like a small detail, but it's these nuances that collectively enhance the shopping experience in your store. A well thought out theme style can make browsing your store a pleasure for your customers. And there you have it, the foundational steps to setting up your Shopify store. Remember, the journey doesn't stop here. Shopify offers endless possibilities for customization, optimization, and scaling. But with the steps we've covered today, you're well on your way to creating an online store that not only looks professional, but is also uniquely yours. Remember, every great online store starts with a single step, and you've just taken yours. Happy selling.